What's up, y'all? JustZay here, back giving another pickup. And today is a special day because, well, I have something that's very fitting for the season. As a matter of fact, where I'm at on the East Coast, it is actually snowing, which is the perfect time to shoot this video. So today we have a pair of ADIDAS Terrex free Hiker GTX boots. And one of the things that make these boots special is, of course, they have boost on them, but these are also made from recycled materials. So if you look right here, it says in plastic waste on the top of the box, and that right there is throughout the whole form of the tissue paper. So when you open this up, you can see that. You probably can't see it because you're not in person, but it's throughout the whole tissue paper. You also get this little coupon. For those of you guys that follow me on IG, you already seen this. And let's get to the good stuff. So these, of course, as you guys can tell by the tag, which is right here, it says Gore-Tex. These are, of course, a pair of Gore-Tex boots. Now, you guys that know, I said in the last video I did a pair of boots. I don't really like boots like that. But after wearing the Nike boots a couple of times, I'm slowly getting back into the wave of wearing boots again. That's why I got these right here. So, first thing you guys notice about this boot, well, the first thing I notice about this boot is the accents and hints of white. There is white right here at the bottom, and there's also white right here on the pull tab. In addition to that, there's a bit of numbering in here. If you decode this, it does say 420, and what that actually represents, as far as this shoe is concerned, is the amount of weight this particular pair of shoes are in grams. So if you translate that from grams to ounces, 420 grams puts you at 14.8 ounces. So I'm cool with the 420 being right here. But all honesty, 419 would have been better because that's actually my birthday. But it's all love. And as I said, one of the things they did about this boot that I think is pretty cool is if you look, I'm pulling one finger in and I'm pulling out the shoe horn, of course. So this is an upgrade. I don't know why this isn't done in any of the other shoes, but it's all good. It's in the boot. Pretty good. So as you go on, you pull this out. Of course, you have a sole that is, of course, labeled Boost, like I said, and little stuff right here. And it does say Boost because, of course, these is Boost. In case you guys did not know, this is Boost right here. It has a Boost midsole, which offers, of course, the great cushioning and the energy that you know and expect. Now, as far as expectations about this pair of boots, it is a little bit firm. It's not like the City Sock or the NMDs or the regular Ultra Boost, the 2021s. It's a bit firm. It feels like the all-winter pair. If you ever had to try on a pair of all-winter Adidas, that's what this boost feels like. It's a little bit firm, and I'm okay with that because these are a hiking shoe. So, you know, this shoe is meant for, like I said, long routes where you're in probably mid-terrain, nothing real high, because it doesn't give you a lot of ankle support if you got to try to like the Mount Everest climb and things like that. I don't know if this is the right boot for you for that, but I think if you guys would just go hiking with friends, going across the river and things like that, I think this is the perfect shoe. Because of course you have Gore-Tex right here, which is throughout the whole shoe, and then right here you have the prime knitting that you guys are familiar with, of course, just about every pair of Ultra Boost. This particular prime knitting is in the color of black and slate black. That's the color I would say, but I believe the technical name is carbon. It's black and carbon, but to me this looks a bit of a slate. But like I said, you know, yeah. And of course got the recycled material right here, right where the 3 stripes are. And like I said, you right here, a stable frame right here in the back, and right here, stable frame as well as in the front. And of course, they stuck to the old ways, Continental, right here at the bottom. And this right here is a little, like I said, this is a little bit more firm than the previous Ultra Boost pair. That's because you're going to be walking on terrain that's a little bit harder than what you're used to. So I'm okay with that. And like I said, these were a great shoe, man. I got these for $153 shipped. No, I'm sorry, $153 before taxes. It's like $158 or something like that after taxes, and when I put my discount code in. But initially these retail for $220. There was also a pair that came out after these, because this design came out last year. There's a pair that came out not this year, it's been 2022. There's a pair that came out in 2021 with the Pharrell collab, where this was a little bit higher up, which probably provided a little bit more support. But those started off, I think, at 240, which I thought was a little bit too outrageous for me, because me personally, I'm not a fan of boots. This is only my second pair of boots since I had when I was a kid. But back to the shoe. So you have the laces right here, like I said, that matches the prime knitting. You have this sock fabric right here, material. I think overall, man, this is a great shoe, great boot. I definitely recommend you guys getting a pair of these if you can.
What's up, y'all? JustZay here, back again. Today is another special day. Today, I went ahead and brought myself a brand new 2022 in the year 21. That's just my way of celebrating myself, finally reaching 100,000 views. And of course, I wouldn't be nothing without y'all. So we had to do a giveaway. Today's giveaway, you see it? We got stuff on stuff on stuff on stuff on stuff. So, just like we did last year, we'll do another giveaway. All you guys got to do, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on IG, send me a screenshot, and boom, you're in the win for the drawing. So, good luck to you guys, and like I said, once again, appreciate all the love and support. 100 down, another 100 to go.